Talofa. Hello, it's Lucky. Today, we are going to learn about directions.
Direction is the way to find places we're looking for. How do we say direction in Samoan?
Direction in Samoan is fa'atonunga. 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 Direction.
Today, we are going to explore the city. I'm so excited! Yippee!
I am excited too. Look, I have a map of the city. Map. Fa'afanua. 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 Map.
If we want to find a place, we need the right directions to get there. That's why a map will be helpful.
Alright, let's see how we can get to the grocery store.
We have to walk straight and turn left.
Turn left. Afe angavale. Turn left.
Can you say that again, please?
Afe angavale. Afe angavale. Turn left.
Look, the grocery store is on the left side of the road.
Left side. Itu angavale. Itu angavale. Itu angavale. Left side.
Where is the mall?
The mall is across the road from the grocery store.
Oh, right. How do you say across in Samoan?
It's Ileisi itu. Ileisi itu. Across.
How do we get to the fire station?
Let's find out.
Ah, there. We had to walk and then turn right. The fire station is on the right side of the road.
Turn right. Afe taumatau. Afe taumatau. Turn right.
Great! It's so easy to find.
Right is taumatau. 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 Right.
How do we go to the candy shop?
We just need to walk straight ahead. The candy shop is in the right corner.
Oh, there it is.
Alusa'o. Straight ahead. Tulimanu. Corner. We will walk straight ahead. Alusa'o. And the candy shop is in the right corner. Tulimanu.
Perfect. Now let's find out how to get to the restaurant.
Look, it's next to the candy shop. Next to is Soso'oatu. Soso'oatu. Next to.
We had to walk past the candy shop. The restaurant is on the right side of the road.
Oh, there's the bookstore above the restaurant. The restaurant is below the bookstore.
Can you tell us how to say above and below in Samoan?
Of course. Above is ilunga. 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 Above. Below is laloifo. 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 Below.
That's perfect. We can find books and eat our favorite sandwich.
What about the beach? I'd love the beach. But where is it?
It's at the end of the road. If we want to go to the beach, we'd have to walk in a straight direction past the candy shop, restaurant, and the bookstore.
Straight direction. Sa'o. 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 Straight direction.
Yay! Now, we will will not get lost when we explore the city.
We already know how to use directions when looking for a place.
Make sure to ask for an older person's help, like a parent, every time you go out.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Bye!
Goodbye.